Ferrite Metal Solutions is India's leading manufacturer of world-class maintenance and fabrication arc welding products. With 2 manufacturing plants in Sonipat and Raipur and several interconnected sales offices spread across India, Ferrite is committed to provide the best quality products to the industry. Founded in the year 2000, our company has achieved numerous milestones in a short time, thanks to our passion for excellence. Pvt Metal Solutions Pvt Ltd operates with 2 very popular brands in welding electrodes. Under Felix range, we manufacture complete range of specialized maintenance and fabrication welding alloys. Weldtrode is the most advanced range of products in the world with a unique concept of one-rod immediate repair. That is all multi-purpose electrodes to join dissimilar and unknown materials designed to perform in most contaminated conditions without pre-weld operations, leave no cleaning. Abrasive is one of our fastest growing brands of smart abrasives. That's not it. Pvt Metal Solutions, with its strong R&D designs and delivers customized products too, after understanding metallurgy and operating conditions of your jobs. Today, Pvt Metal Solutions serves a wide array of industries, with an ever-growing list of satisfied customers, delivering high-quality, cost-effective, application-oriented and compatible products on time, every time. Ferrite also undertakes large-scale maintenance projects. We have our own dedicated team of trained engineers and fabricators who are well-equipped, well-trained, efficient and experienced. Ferrite has a methodical approach towards its projects, starting with on-site survey, brainstorming, planning and reviewing with the client, followed by execution. We also do a follow-up check of our service and do the necessary corrections immediately. Ferrite envisions to be a dominant global player in the world of welding and associate industries. And to do this, we flung ourselves to the mission of providing innovative, cost-effective and cutting-edge products. We aim to deliver products and services that are not just the best, but also well-researched, and one that meets the highest standards of the near future. Winning is not a goal, it's a journey that we should consistently dive into. Pvt Metal Solutions, supplying the right products every time, on time.